1917, when America entered the First World War, the United States Army tasked Brigadier General John T. Thompson, chief of the Small Arms Section of its Ordnance Department, with designing a short-range, rapid-firing, large-capacity infantry trench weapon. The general turned the job over to his own firearms firm, the Auto-Ordnance Corporation, AOC. Thompson and his team determined the .45-inch automatic Colt pistol cartridge used in the Colt M1911 semi-automatic pistol provided the most suitable rounds for the automatic weapon they envisioned. Due to the ammunition slated for the new weapon, the term submachine gun came into general use, referring to the gun's sub-rifle caliber cartridge and its capability for fully automatic fire. Origins and development: the Annihilator AOC manufactured the first working model, the Annihilator I, in 1919. It bore many hallmarks of later Thompson guns: a slab-sided receiver, rear and forward pistol grips, modified Colt M1911 box magazine and top-mounting cocking handle. Its rate of fire was 1,500 rounds per minute, RPM, and could only be fired in full automatic mode, but did not have cooling fins fitted, vital on a gun capable of such a rate. A modified version, the Annihilator II, and its variants, officially known as the M1919, soon appeared sporting the innovative Blish locking system, or sliding breech block, a selector switch for full or semi-automatic fire, a blade foresight, fin barrels, removable front grip and a receiver machined with slots to insert the newly designed 20-round boxed magazine, as well as a 50 and 100-round drum. Altering the angle of the Blish lock reduced the rate of fire to 800 RPM, but the piece comprised only 11 major moving parts. Christened by its inventors the Thompson gun and colloquially referred to as Tommy guns, General Thompson contracted with the Colt Patent Firearms Company to produce 15,000, at cost of $38.25 per gun. The first Colt Thompsons came off the manufacturing line in March 1921, each designated as Model 1921A. The weapon weighed 10 pounds 4 ounces, and as with all the Thompson models, its effective maximum range was 50 meters. Through the early 1920s, General Thompson tried to sell his invention to European nations, but he had better success in the US. In 1926, AOC received orders for Thompson guns for both the United States Post Office and the Marine Corps. The Marines guarded the mail trains, which needed armed protection due to a string of violent armed robberies that swept the country in the 1920s. Later, AOC delivered 1,500 Thompsons to the Navy. Additional sales in the commercial market were made to landowners such as Western ranchers, law enforcement agencies, and of course, organized crime syndicates. The Tommy gun goes to war. A widespread lack of infantry weaponry for all armed forces in World War II prompted the U.S. Army to contract with the new owner of AOC, Russell Macquarie, for 20,405 Thompson guns, now designated the M1921A1. By early 1942, 500,000 Thompsons had been manufactured. By this time, the Tommy gun became the most famous submachine gun of the war. AOC was quick to see the importance of the nickname and quickly patented it. The majority of those deployed were the more soldier-proof Model 1928A1, and starting in that year, the famous Model M1911